Hey, how are you, everyone? Welcome into my channels. If you are new into my channel, then please subscribe, like, comments, and share. In the previous steps, who watch my videos, then in the previous process, we will discuss how to create a Facebook account by using a number and an email address. We successfully create a Facebook account that show in your screen. Okay, that name is Saifraz. In the second process, we will secure into our account, okay? Into our new account. Then how to secure into our new account? Then watch the full videos. Let's start. In the start, please enter into your Facebook. Uh, in the right top corner, if you are in the laptop, then here is a pic of your profile, that name account. Click on this, and in the scroll down, there is an option for setting and privacy. Click on this, and then setting. Click on the setting. After click in setting, there is a general setting, and go down for security and login. For secure your account. For secure account, here is some screen come into your screen. They will show you it, here that you will log in into Windows Lahore, Pakistan. Okay, and then if you log in like this, then they will show you here where you are you logging. Okay, in the scroll down, here is the login option where you change your password, save your login information. Scroll down, and here is this two-factor authentication. Here is the overwork where we secure our account. Okay, first click into this. First, click into this, use two-factor authentication. Here is three options show, they will show us first text message, SMS, okay. Second, authenticated app, okay. Third, security key, okay. Here I will use authentication app, okay. Click on the use authentication app, enter here your password. Submit. And they will give us authentication code. Copy this and click on the continue. Then click add open new app. If you are in the mobile, then you can install Google Authenticator Play Store into the Play Store. Okay, I will show you. And if you are in the Apple, then you can install here Google Authenticator. But I will show you in this method and laptop. Okay, uh, uh, enter enter here G-Auth. There it is. G-Auth. Enter, and in the first website, click on the one-time password, and here, this screen come into your screen. Okay, click add, and the account name you can write here Facebook, and in the second they will demand your security key. Enter here security key and then add. Okay, and you can see there is a code generate. Here's the time is at 30 seconds. Okay, you can copy this code and paste here, then continue. We will automatically detect this, and then first step for the security is successfully done. Done. Click on the done, and that code you copy. I will create a sheet here. How to open this sheet and how to create. You can click. You can write a sheet into the Chrome, and if you are in the Android, then you can install the Google Sheet app in the Play Store. Okay, click into the Google Sheet, then they will create a sheet for you. Okay, you can write your name and so on. Okay, uh, then we will come into over a previous sheet. They will write. I write here my email, and you can paste here your uh, geoth code, okay? And in the this will help you in the future if you forgot and something else like this, okay? This will on and first step for this security is complete. In the second step, I will set up your recovery codes, okay? They will get a course, click on the course code, and then they will give you this code. You can also download this from here and save this into your folder or where you are. I will save this into my sheet. Okay. So the second process for the security is done. Here over the security video is done. And now your account is secure. Hopefully you will understand what I am guide you. In the next step, I will guide you general settings like generals, privacy, profile tagging, and that's on. Okay. Stay tuned. Allah Hafiz.